Hey guys, Ed up here. Today we're checking out this wood cart from VEVOR. Over here by the shipping container, I have a bunch of firewood, and I need a way to get it from over there to inside of the house. Last year I got this cart from VEVOR that I could load firewood into it and bring it to the front of the house, but I still had to carry it inside. With this cart and these wheels, I'm going to be able to roll it up the steps and get it close to the wood burning stove without having to carry piece by piece by piece. So let's put this thing together and see what it can do. Inside the box, you're going to get all the parts and pieces you need to put this thing together, including the hardware. When you're done, it should look something like this. Now, everything in here is slide A hole B, so I didn't do an assembly video, but there's some points that you should know. Instructions don't say. I used 1/2 inch on these. Put this netting on before you put on this bar right here, and that's about it. So let's go clear out a path to the wood pile and try this thing out. This thing did a pretty good job of pulling out all those weeds. I don't know where I got it, but if I find the video, I'll put it in the end cards. I wish the wheelbase on this was a little bit wider, because you can see here, as I'm going over these bumps, it gets a little bit wobbly. We already have enough firewood inside the house, so for now, this is going to stay right here on the cart until either A, we need it, or 2, we get a firewood stand right here underneath the awning for the front porch. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.